Dorado Rodriguez, founder member, Goins Airport. तुमकां बरं येयल्या म्हण हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं वता व्हेरी शॉर्ट नोटीस. हो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स की आमी if the railways had issued or used their protection to file cases against activists or NGOs, as I would say, who have been fighting the battle this battle against the coal menace. That is this action of the Home Ministry. So we appeal to all our brothers and sisters across Goa, through India and across the world. Our voice cannot be suppressed. Our movement to fight this coal menace, especially the capitalists, with the Vedantas, Adanis and the Agarwals and the Jindals who are funding ministers within the government. We will expose them one day. So we call upon all our youth, our seniors, our ladies, or the gents, whoever, please, this is the time to stand up for your rights, for our rights, and for the rights of the future generations to come. Let us stand up as united force, and we have shown that in Shandor the other day, when we stood as one. There were no divisions between us. There was no division between Goins Airport. There were no divisions between Goins Kalsonaka and several other organizations which supported our demand. Yeah. So now I introduce our panelists here. Jose Cabral, our convener of Goins Airport. Krasananta, our executive member, Ms. Royla Fernandez, Ella Mascarenas, well known as well, Danwo, and to my right is Sandra and Alec Rodriguez. We have also some members who are still on the way, so they will join us. Yeah.
आयज प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवपाक कारण म्हणल्यार तुमकां खबर आसतली, तुमीच आमच्या पत्रकार भवनांनीच पेपराचेर हाडलेलें 6 जाणांचेर FIR फायल केला म्हणून. आनी जेन्ना आमकां गोमोन आयलें तो FIR आमच्याच स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान आमचेर फायल केला म्हणून, तातूंत एक म्हाजेंय नांव बीन आसा, क्रेसनांतांव, गोंयच्या एअरपोर्टाचो. तशेंच हेर आमचे भाव 5 जावन ते गोंयांत कोळसोनाका तांतले आसात. पूण एक दुखाची गजाल तुमकां सांगूंक दिसता, हे आमचे गोंयचे पोरचेक हो सरकार अदानीचो सरकार म्हणून रेल्वेजान आमचेर कंप्लेन करिनासतना आमच्याच सरकारान आमचेर कंप्लेन केल्या. रोड ब्लॉकिंग केला आनी हेर आमी अनलॉफूल थिंग्स केला म्हणून. जेन्ना कलेक्टरान ऑर्डर दिली रोड तुमी ब्लॉक आसतलो म्हणून, जाल्यार कसलीं सेक्शनां तुमी लायल्यात. आनी गव्हर्मेंट आमचो आवाज कित्याक बंद करूंक सोदता, कोणाच्या फायद्याक ते करूंक सोदता. कांय दिसां फाटीं तुमकां खबर आसतली, 3 वीक फाटीं जेन्ना दाबोली एअरपोर्टा लागीं व्हडले बिल्डिंगां बांदूंक सोदताले, आनी जेन्ना एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी आनी नेव्हीन तांचेर उलोवपाक सुरू केलें, हो अदानीचो गव्हर्मेंट सुप्रीम कोर्टान धांवलो ते बिल्डर लॉबीक फायदो करूंक. जाल्यार आज आमी ह्या गोंयच्या जावचें आसा, ताचे पासत आमचो सरकार आनी आमदार ओगीच बसून आसात. आमचे बायोडायवर्सिटी कवर जातले, आमचे वेस्टर्न घाट्स कवर जातले, आमचे हेल्थ कवर जातले. हाचे पासत सरकार आमचो सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचोंक सोदिना. तर हाचेर आमच्या लोकांनी आमी मागता, आमच्या लोकांनी हाचेर नदर घालची. हे फाटी 3 वीक फाटी सुप्रीम कोर्टान ते गेल्ले आसात. जाल्यार ह्या प्रश्नाचेर आमचो सरकार ओगी कित्याक आसा? आनी जेन्ना आमी गोंयकार आमचे रोगत देखून वागूंक आमी रेडी आशिल्ले त्या दिसाक तांचेर तुमी एफआयआर घालतात. आनी तिसरे निमाणी गोश्ट हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, इतलो कोल समज गोंयांत आयलो जाल्यार एकूच इंडस्ट्री आमची उरलेली आसा, ट्युरिजम इंडस्ट्री, जाचेर आमचे शेक ओनर्स, आमचे नुस्तेकार भाव, आमचे हेर मोटरसायकल, आमचे ड्रायव्हर्स जायते भाव हाचेर पोट भरतात. जाल्यार तांचें कितें जातलें? सरकारान आतां व्हडले व्हडले पॉलिसी काडल्यात, जाल्यार हो कोर्सो जर गोंयांत आयलो जाल्यार एकूच इंडस्ट्री आमची उरल्या ती कलॅप्स जातली. हाचेर ताणें केलो आसा. आनी आमचेर एफआयआर घातलो म्हणून हें हांगा सोंपचें ना. सरकाराक आमी देव बरें करूं म्हणटात, कित्याक आमचेर एफआयआर घालून जे लोकांनी आमकां रिस्पॉन्स दिल्लो आसा, 10,000 लोक त्या दिसा चांदोर गांवांत हाजीर आसलो. म्हाका दिसता फुडले जेन्ना 50,000 प्लस लोक एकठांय जातलो, ही गोंयच्या एअरपोर्टाच्यान खात्री दिवंक जाता. आनी कोणाच्यान कितें म्हणूंक जावचें ना, कित्याक इट वील बी अ पीसफूल प्रोटेस्ट ऑर वॉट एवर. सो आमचो ह्या तुमच्या प्रेस माध्यमांतल्यान आमी आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक तशेंच भाव भयणांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटात आमच्या उरल्या. आनी फुडलेय फावट तुमी येतले, कित्याक हें गोंयच्या हिता खातीर आमचें गोंय आतां तरी आमी उठोन भायर सरोनात, गोंय काबार जातलें. यूथ आर द फ्युचर, यूथ आर द फ्युचर म्हणून आनी आमकां फटयले. यूथ आर द नाव and youth are coming out, and that is the biggest advantage to this agitation which is going on. Thank you very much.
थँक यू म्हज्या पत्रकार भावनो, तुमी आयले शॉर्ट नोटिसाचेर. हांव जुले कामरार राजू कामरार म्हणटा, म्हाका नागोय गांवचो. आनी चांदोर जे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट केले गोंयचे एकवट आनी हेर ग्रुपांनी, गोंयचे एकवटा बरोबर आसा आनी हेर मेजर ग्रुप आहा गोंया जे झुजता, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट झुजता. हे कारणां लागून सरकाराक सांगपाक शकता आनी सोदता आनी हांव मागता, अंडरस्टँड, द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू अंडरस्टँड that it is the people who run the state. It is not 40 people running the state. Yes, we have elected you all, but you all should take the concern and the consent of the people and then take decisions for the state. आज कोळशा लागून कितली वर्सां, 12 वर्सां जाली झुजता, लोक झुजता, वास्को काबार जाले आनी आतां आनी गांव काबार जावपा आहा. हे डबल ट्रॅकिंगा लागून आनी जायती वस्तू लागून ते जावपाचें आसा. कोल डस्ट आनी कोल आनी झाडां, जी आमची झाडां, इतली झाडां कातून जे मोन्यांतले आनी सगळे कडेन लँड एक्विजिशन जावपा आसा, दिस इज अनलॉ अँड अनजस्ट टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. आज आमचेर गोंयच्या एकवटाचेर आनी मेंबरांचेर सरकारांनी एक केस घातल्या, एफआयआर केल्या. पूण सांगा म्हाका भाव भयणानो, म्हज्या गोंयकारांनो, आती घेवन उब रावल्यार प्रोटेस्ट म्हणटा, आती घेवन मागणी केल्या सरकाराक प्रोटेस्ट म्हणटा. आमचे हातींत हातोर आसनाय, दांडे आसनाय ना काय आसना, आमचे हातींत हाती हाललो. एंड इट वॉज अ सायलेंट विजिल प्रोटेस्ट. when the roads were blocked, रस्ते बंद केल्ले आसले, त्या रस्त्याचे ट्रान्सपोर्ट सप्लाय ना आसना, त्या रस्त्याचे उब रावल्या. इट इज नॉट डिस्टर्बन्स ऑफ एनीथिंग. when the collector came over there, when we have to question the collector and we were waiting for the collector to come outside and talk to us, asking the people to sit for us. आम्ही ते मुनीस आमकां आमी हाडटा, आमचे बसत एक डिसिजन घेया आनी विचारा म्हणून तुमी लायव्ह चले आसतले ते राती. आमी फकत तांकां क्वेश्चन विचारतले, गिव अस अ डिसिजन, गिव अस अ डिसिजन एंड गिव अस अ डिसिजन. स्टॉप कोल, stop coal, we don't want coal. This is something understood. ते दिस चांदोर मातशे पयस पडटा आमचे नॉर्थ गोवाचे आनी आमची भुरगीं जी यंगस्टर आसा आनी यूथ आसा तांकां मातशें आमी येवंक दिवंक ना कित्याक रात आयलेली आनी आमकां खबर आसना कितें जावपाय बट दे ऑल्सो रेडी टू कम मोर बट वी because as elders of this community as elders of this society we went and we didn't let them come today if something more worse is going to happen these children are going to come and then you all can get the police you all can get the CRPF and you all can start killing us because this is going to be the end if you kill us it will be the end of this agitation this is much better and the government of Goa please shoot us this will be better because if you all think that we are activists over here we are not activists we are fighting freely breathe a free air and be responsible for the community that is living in Goa Magda Sarkarakade to take the appeal and not let an outsider ruin our beautiful Goa for his business but keep it for the Goans and the generation to come. Thank you.
Soglan Deborodisti, now Architect Royal Fernandez, Executive Committee Member of Goinzo Airport. Ice in a Nishit Martha, Jay Government, Goinkaranche FIR Kalateje. But एक interesting गोष्टी की FIR केला for fighting to protect the environment, not for कि तिंगा किते तोड़फोड़ or unlawful or disturbing incident ahlo. It was such a beautiful festival of unity of Goa with music, with songs, with dances, candlelight procession, and all to safeguard the interest of Goa and generations. As a climate, yes, I have done my training through climate reality. आणि तितूंतल्यान आमकां शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें की worse than COVID is climate change. But climate change जावचें आसा वो जाता. हे सो climate crisis म्हणून बोब मारीत आसा. So if coal is stopped in Goa, the climate crisis is handled. In fact, few days back on the Herald newspaper, it was interesting to see three articles were there on the front page, wherein they mentioned about the government saying they are going to continue the climate change disasters. In one, they are saying they are taking consultants, and in the third place, they are spending finally taxpayers' money. Don't we think that a FIR should be on these people who are finally destroying everything? Environmentalists, wildlife enthusiasts, all NGOs and even students have written to Sogulani Borobar की आमचो गोंयची वेस्टर्न घाट्स सांबाळचे हो कोल गोंय येता तो बंद करचो. स्टील गव्हर्मेंटाचे एकूय एक्शन दिसना की लोकांच्या हिता पासून ते करपाक सोदता. इंस्टेड दे आर हेल बेंट, दे आर वेरी adamant to them. We just don't trust them. We will definitely inform the media, but our protests, which are silent and peaceful, will continue. In fact, we have also told the CM when we met him last month that we had given him a month's ultimatum or a notice to give his decision. He still wait for that decision, few days away. 14 happens to be day and also Diwali. On Diwali is the end of all evil and the beginning of a new life for Goa. We look forward to the government of Goa, every person sitting in sessions to come. Lastly, I would also want to tell today that this small FIR which was lodged against Goans and its NGOs has sparked or ignited a which has spread to India. Yes, my climate reality friends and wildlife enthusiasts have seen this issue, decided to nationwide in support of Goa. They find that they too need to work towards the protection of Goa. Goa is everyone's holiday home. I'm not saying holiday destination, I'm saying it's a holiday home. If they want to enjoy Goa for the rest of their life and for their generations, they have all decided to help Goa and
Good evening, Avella Mascarenas. I'm गोंयचो एकोटाचे वुमन्स विंग कन्वेनर. म्हाका फकत एकूच विचारपाचें आहा गव्हर्मेंटाक. ते 2008 सावन हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग करपाचें तांकां विश आहा आनी तेन्ना सावन हेका निशोध मारता. आतां 12 वर्सां जालीं आमकां डबल ट्रॅक नाका म्हूण सांगल्यार तेंच्या कानार कित्याक पडना. 2008 लँड एक्विजिशन नोटीस घातलोले तेणी हेजेर पेपराचेर. तेन्ना सावन लोक बॉम्ब मारता. 2013 पारीकरान सांगले हे फ्रॉड डबल ट्रॅकिंग. 2015 सावन आलिना आमची MLA आमच्या फाटल्यान सोंपल्या आमकां घेवन ती तेजे निशोध मारता. झगडटा आमकां ते नाका म्हणून. 130 panchayats have taken resolutions against double tracking and coal handling and transportation at MPT. हे सगळे आमच्या गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसांनी, आमच्या MLA, आमच्या CMाक पावना. आमचो पावर मिनिस्टर, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आतां पासून म्हणटा की आमकां आपण कोत्तलोच डबल ट्रॅकिंग. ताका आमचे एक what you say, we want to tell him over our dead bodies. As for me, I am saying, I am a mother who lives by the railway tracks. I know what my children and what I go through. I know what my old parents used to bear. The water is contaminated, the air is polluted. He came for a walk along the tracks. He walked about 4 kilometers. Did he not see our houses? Did he not see our heritage structures? This question is to the Power Minister, Mr. Cabral. Secondly, I want to ask our government, when we are saying we don't want land acquisition and we don't want double tracking, how did they send land acquisition notices to people during the pandemic? Most of these citizens are senior citizens. They suffer from comorbidities, the word they forever use. And they ask them to come for personal hearing at the collector's office. Is this right? Secondly, they want to bulldoze whatever comes in their path. Southwestern Railway is least bothered what they are bulldozing. We will not accept this. Thirdly, we demand cancellation of land acquisition and double tracking, which will destroy our villages. Now they have postponed the double tracking at Davolni, citing operational constraints. We don't want that. We want cancellation. Secondly, thirdly, fourthly, Maina Kuttari police has filed an FIR against the protesters saying that they were blocking the road. When the collector has already given an order to close the road from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m., how can this FIR be filed? Are they thinking we are fools? Goals are fools? We condemn all these statements and all these FIRs against our people. Thank you.
I am coming back to you again, my fellow Goan brothers. हाल्या 4 ओरांचेर उडगासलोऱ्या हाल्या 4 ओरांचेर गोंया साउथ गोवा मारगांव लोया मैदानाचेर येदी व्हडली मिटींग जातली. And I am asking and requesting every mother to send their child, every father to send his daughter, every wife to send his husband, or the wife should come. We should unite and show the government tomorrow that we are in strength, and all the other things which are related to this destruction of Goa should come to a stop. मागता तुमच्या लागी मातशे तुमच्या लायफांतली हे वर्सांतली 2020 हे वर्सांतली 2 वरां तुम्ही मडगांव लोया मैदान ग्राउंडाचेर 4 वरांच्या सांजेच्या येचे म्हूण आनी तुमचे सर्विसीस टू गोवा दाखोवचे म्हूण, तुमचे इंट्रस्ट टू गोवा दाखोवचे म्हूण, तुमचो मोग हो गोवा दाखोवचो म्हूण मागता म्हज्या भाव भयणींक परत मागता आनी मागत रावतलो टील this project comes to a stall and this project comes to a end. देव बरें करूं.
Sir, what have you decided on this November 9th? There was a call given to the people.
See, as of now, तुम्ही पेपराचेर आयला की railways has written to the collector that they will for operational constraint they are not going to do the work. But आम्ही तांचेर विश्वासूच दवरनात. We are not believing them because the railways are writing that means our government is least bothered of us. हे गव्हर्नमेंटान करूंक जाय आशिल्लें रेल्वेजान करून ताबडतोब काम बंद करा म्हणून. Railways are writing that means our government what to say? हे कोणा पासत करता? So nothing has come from the government. We are still prepared for it. तुम्ही 100 FIR लाया आम्ही आमचे रोगात दिवपाक कशेंच सोडचे ना. Our demand we have written to the chief minister our demands on 13th November October were our demand. I will show you there were a lot of demands. The demands which were given to the chief minister on 13th जे 17 जणांचे डेलिगेशन सीएमाक आम्ही फुड्यान आम्ही गेलेले ते दिसा आम्ही ताका सांगलेले टू डायरेक्ट द लँड एक्विजिशन ऑफिसर एंड डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफ मुर्मुगांव टू इमिडिएटली स्टॉप द प्रोसेस ऑफ लँड एक्विजिशन फॉर द सो कॉल्ड स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट नेमली हॉस्पेट हुबली तिनाईगढ़ वास्को डबलिंग. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट डिमांड. सेकंड वाज टू डायरेक्ट एंड पास executive orders to the railway authority to stop the illegal work which is going on. Third was to stop work of expansion of four-laning National Highway 4A in the Anmud-Mole section, high tension power transmission line through Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Mole National Park. Fourth was to raise objection to the Major Ports Authority Bill. आमच्या पंचायतीचे तसेच आमच्या म्युनिसिपालिटीचे राईट काढून गेल्ले आसात through this Major Ports Authority Bill which is passed in the last session in the parliament. So तेका आमी सांगिल्ले हे तू ताबडतोब तुझे ऑब्जेक्शन धाड. We want as a I am also a panchayat member of Majorda. We want our powers in a coastal belt. हाल्या आमी आमच्या गावात मायग्रंट जातले. थोडे लोक आता मायग्रंटांक दाणाक सोदतात बरी गोष्ट आसा पूण जेता हे ऑथॉरिटीज एमपीटी लागीं वेतले स्टेटाक पावर आसतना पंचायतीक पावर आसतना म्युनिसिपालिटीक पावर आसतना कोणाक पावर आसतलो प्रायव्हेट प्लेयर आमकां रूल करतले गोंयांत जाल्यार आमी गोंयांत मायग्रंट जावतले वा ना. चवथे सांगिल्लें आमी सॅटलायट पोर्ट इन बेतूल ड्रॉप करचो. आमचो एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर म्हणटा आपण हे सांगला ड्रॉप कर ताच्या हातीन ना ते लोकांक फटोवपाचें बंद कर. This AECOM report of Sagarmala master plan is approved by the cabinet of central ministry. आमचो प्राइम मिनिस्टरान तो अप्रूव केला. ताका आमच्या मिनिस्टराक रायटूच ना आमी काडटा म्हणून सांगू. इट हॅज टू कम फ्रॉम द सेंटर. ते आमकां फटय नाका. पीपल आर नॉट फूल्स. Youth are taking the charge now. And youth are coming out. You have seen in our awareness programs. More than 100-200 youth are coming. And our last demand was to the two berths which connecting the flyover Indian Navy Coast Guard at Vasco Bay and the expansion project planned in the master plan has to be immediately dropped in volume 5. Immediately dropped. Before these things not coming to the halt, we will not stop from this awareness and these agitations. We will not stop.
No. My question is that on Sunday night,
Yeah.
will it continue? Because if you had given a call,
Yeah.
so the call remains.
Yeah, the call remains until and unless our government says that it has to be whatever kept on, but we want it to be scrapped. Not indefinitely or whatever it is. It has to be scrapped.
In fact, I would like to just point out, 13th October we have given, 13th October we placed our demands, and no sooner the demands were placed in Vasco, the land acquisition process started. Soon after that, the next demand was the railway orders. That also has started. And the only thing which they said is Betul is scrapped or Betul is dropped, but nothing in white, nothing in officially a cabinet decision has not been taken. And the other two demands they have not yet worked on. Its work is still going on.
No, he only said it is word demand will keep dropped. Not say, he says.
He says.
He says.
Nothing else.
Nothing
Nothing
else.
has come.
Actually, I am given to understand by Mr. Nilesh Kabral himself that they have received a letter from the MPT. See, this is just a proposal. It is not a letter, it is not a cabinet decision. MPT to drop the port, the satellite port at Betul. So he cannot go tom-tomming saying that, it is dropped and, things like that. Until we see a cabinet decision, the union cabinet decision, we cannot believe it because this is just, something on a piece of paper, We can say so many things. So, as going for report, and now we are not 28, yesterday 2 other organizations have joined us, so we are 30 now, at a strength of 30, and today also I received calls from so many other youth organizations, some clubs,
Other states.
Also, we are getting support from across the borders. So they understand, the rest of India today understands that, why we are doing this. We are not doing this for any political reasons. We are doing this solely for the love of our motherland Goa. I have lived 30 years of my life in Dubai and the rest of the world. I was in the Middle East. I saw to it that, things were not moving the way it had to. Certain capitalists, they were trying to, grab land. Already Goa is divided between the Indian Navy, the ONGC, so many central agencies have acquired land, and there is no land. Even a Kumtan land is just being grabbed left, right, and center. I mean, at this rate, where are we heading to? We are like we prisoners in our own land. Is this what we are looking for? And is this what we aspire for our youth and our children to? We had a good life. We never had these issues. 20 years, 30 years back, we never had these issues. But today, we are like, ghetto. And I'm sorry to say, successive governments have failed governments. Rights. And going backward, along with its allied organizations, supporting organizations, we will see to it that justice is done to Goa. Thank you.
You said that government should give in writing to the railways.
In writing to the
Railways.
regarding.
In the talking of the law. So till then, this agitation will continue.
Yes.
Yes.
Full on.